Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating and verifying your Naver account. Use mobile or email and enable two-step login for safety. Once done, open Naver Blog and pick a template that fits your content. Choose layout and a memorable URL slug. Next, set the blog name and fill the profile section so visitors know who you are. Make sure to add primary categories now because they shape navigation. These initial steps let you publish immediately with a coherent structure and consistent branding across posts. Now focus on creating and optimizing posts. Use the editor to add headings, images, and embedded media. Compress images while keeping quality. Aim below 10 MB per image. Once you draft content, write an SEO-friendly title, a concise meta description, and include tags. Put key phrases within the first 100 words to improve discoverability. Next, assign categories and decide whether to publish now or schedule for peak hours. Preview both desktop and mobile views to ensure formatting and links work as expected. After publishing, promote your post through Naver channels and external social platforms. Share to Kakao Talk and relevant communities to drive initial traffic. Once live, monitor analytics, views, time on page, and comments. To refine headlines, posting times, and the content mix, consider /B testing thumbnails for better click-through rates. If you encounter issues like failed image uploads or publishing errors, clear the browser cache. Confirm file sizes and formats, re-login, and if needed, contact Naver support. That troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.